Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the DASH diet and how it can help lower your high blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure or hypertension, you know that it can be a real pain point. It's something that can affect your daily life and your overall health. So what is the DASH diet? DASH stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. The DASH diet is a healthy eating plan designed to help treat or prevent high blood pressure or hypertension. The DASH diet incorporates foods that are abundant in potassium, calcium and magnesium. These nutrients help to regulate blood pressure. The diet restricts foods that are excessive in sodium, saturated fat and processed sugars. What are the benefits of DASH diet? Number 1. Lower blood pressure. The DASH diet is designed to help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension. Studies have shown that those who follow the DASH diet have lower blood pressure than those who follow other diets. Number 2. Improved heart health. The DASH diet is also beneficial for improving heart health. It is rich in fruits, vegetables, low-fat dairy and whole grains, which are all important for heart health. Number 3. Reduced risk of diabetes. The DASH diet is also associated with a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 4. Weight loss. Studies have shown that those who follow the DASH diet are more likely to lose weight than those who do not. The diet is low in fat, calories and sodium, making it a good choice for those looking to lose weight. Number 5. Better digestion. The DASH diet is also beneficial for digestive health. It is high in fiber, which helps to promote regularity and reduce constipation. It is also low in fat, which can help reduce digestive symptoms such as bloating and gas. If you are looking for the right way to follow the DASH diet, in the description of this video we leave you a link to get the DASH diet cookbook that we recommend for beginners, in which you will find more than 1,000 updated and delicious recipes to prepare, low in sodium and perfect to improve your health, including hypertension and reduce weight. So what are some foods to eat on the DASH diet? One of the key components of the DASH diet is eating foods that are low in sodium and saturated fat. What are some foods that you can eat on the DASH diet? Some great options include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and low-fat dairy. These foods are all low in sodium and saturated fat, and are also packed with nutrients that are essential for good health. Eating a variety of these foods will help you get the most benefit from the DASH diet. So if you're looking to lower your blood pressure, be sure to include the next foods in your diet. Fruits and vegetables. Whole grains. Low-fat dairy products. Lean meats and poultry. Fish. Nuts, seeds, and legumes. Healthy fats, such as olive oil and avocado. Herbs and spices for flavor. Water. Hydration is extremely important. Consuming sufficient water can help your body remove excess sodium from your body. Studies have shown that the DASH diet can lower blood pressure in as little as 2 weeks, so we recommend that you put together your diet plan and get ready to improve your health. Remember, in the video description you will find a link to get the best cookbook for beginners DASH diet.
Don't forget to subscribe, and here is another video that may interest you.